In today's video, I will be showing you how to check that your Microsoft Edge browser is up to date. So to do this, all you need to do is open up your Edge browser. You now need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you now need to go down to Help and Feedback and just hover over it, and you now need to click on About Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge will now begin to search for any updates, and if there is any available, as you can see, I did have one available, so it's now updating. And once the update has finished, it will then tell you that you need to restart your Microsoft Edge browser. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Restart here. And as you can see, it now says Microsoft Edge is up to date. If you did go on this page and you were already on the latest version or you were already up to date, then it would just simply say your Microsoft Edge is up to date here, so that you know that you are on the latest and most secure version. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.